start again. It's a rage thing.
Welcome back to another video. So we've got October's gel box. If you've got it, haunt it. Let's gel together. I like the look of this one. They're always really exciting, aren't they? So this is from Gelbox UK. Oh my gosh, look at the box inside, guys. Let me pull you up a bit. Look at this. So it's got a haunted house with cobwebs, ghosts. I love this, and straight off the bat I can see the sticker. So quickly, these are from Gelbox UK. I've got a discount code. I will leave it pinned in my comments or in my description box. And every month you get a mystery box with 4 gels, and you normally get a couple of little extra accessories as well. So every month you get a vinyl sticker and tutorial. So this is what we've got this month, and this also gives you a clue as to what colours are inside. So it looks like we've got a glittery colour at least, or maybe 2, because that looks black, that looks purple. Oh wow, right, let's see what else we got. So we've got a little leaflet thing. I'm loving the theme and the whole aesthetic of this one. This is cool. So this tells you what's in the box. I'm not going to have a look at it. Again, look at all the little artwork stuff. I love it. So we're going to have a look at what's in it anyway. But yeah, I can see that first line there, look. You get 4, and these are 20mm gel polishes, guys. They are huge. So this is your little tutorial card that comes in every box as well, just so you can have a little practice kind of thing. Yeah, one of them. Right, first thing I can see. Oh, I love blackjacks. I love blackjacks, and I love fruit salad. So we've got a blackjack sweet. Oh, this is cool. We've got another cuticle oil. These are big cuticle oils as well. Let's have a sniff. Let's have a snifter. Oh, these are always so unique. I can't describe what that is. I can't describe what it is. It smells like, I don't know, it reminds me of aftershave, that one. I'm not sure. I'm not sure what that scent is. Smells quite spicy, that one. Right, what else have we got? We've got a little detailer brush. Little skinny mini brush. Oh wow, look. Oh, I like them. So we've got some lacy cat ears. Oh wow. That's different. Oh, we've got a glitter. So this is glass. Oh wow, look at this. That screams Halloween. Let me tip some out. So this is like shiny metallic, black, green and purple. I have not got a glitter like this in my collection. Oh, yeah, it is. It's black, purple and green, and it's small hex as well. So you could sugar that on a nail or encapsulate it quite easily. Love that. So this Britpop, guys, that you see on the glitter and on the gel polishes is a sister brand of Gelbox. I will leave their Instagram in my description box so you can over and give them a follow. Oh, it's got a name. Voodoo. These would look so cool all lined up on a shelf, wouldn't they? Love that. Right, shall we have a look at the gels? This is what we came for. So you get little swatch pops every month as well. I don't use them. Right, let's have a look. Oh my gosh. Right, we have got Andy Beast. Andy Beast. Who's Andy? He's obviously a beast. Oh my gosh. This looks like it's going to be a jelly. A jelly deep purple. And it's got, looks like might be holographic glitter. That's unique. I haven't got anything like that. Oh wow, bright green. Frankenstein. Wow, bright, bright green. Slimy Halloween green. Oh, and we've got a nice purple. Draculaura. Oh, that's nice. That's a nice purple. That's a nice all year round colour for me. And then we've got Scare Screams. These are quirky names. Right, and this is like the purple, but this is black with that same hollow glitter. Oh wow. Right, let's get these swatched. Right, let's go. I am going to start with this jelly glittery purple Andy Beast. Yeah, these gels are so nice to use, guys. And I can never get over the size of them. They are huge among us. This is going to be nice. I haven't got anything like this. Yeah, like I thought, it's a bit of a jelly. But it's got a fine holographic glitter in it. So you could have it like that quite sheer, couldn't you? With one coat, but I'm going to do two. Wow, that's super, super holographic. Perfect Halloween gel, isn't it? Look at the sparkle as well. Right, I'm going to cure these for 30 seconds. And then the black one, Scare Screams. So I think this is going to be similar, but obviously black. It is. I like this. So again, this is like a sheer black with the hollow glitter. Again, it's very unique. I haven't got anything like it. I haven't got nothing like this. Isn't that different? And the purple Draculaura. Their regular cream gels are always super, super creamy and opaque. Quite a thin gel as well. So, so nice to use. Look at that. That is a beautiful colour. Beautiful, beautiful purple. I like that a lot. I would use that all year round, I would. Gorgeous. That one definitely doesn't need a second coat. And lastly, the green Frankenstein. Oh wow, this is bright. I wouldn't say it's a neon. Not quite a neon, but it is a bright Halloween slimy green. This would be quite cool for Christmas as well. I think, doing cutesy Christmas designs. Look at that. Wow. So I'm just going to swatch this glitter. I don't normally do this, but I'm going to. So rather than encapsulate it and have to buff it and top coat it, I'm just going to swatch it inside this swatch stick. Perfect Halloween glitter. I love it. Purple, green, black, metallic. This is going to be really nice encapsulated. Right, I'm just going to cure that in the lamp. Right guys, that is them all swatched. So from the left, we've got the purple, the black, and then the purple and the green. I like them a lot. Perfect, perfect Halloween box, isn't it? Look at the hollow in them. I think the hollow is slightly different, is it? I'm not sure. But I like them a lot. And then, that is the glitter. Look at that. Let me show it you from underneath. See it a bit better. It's so much nicer in real life. That's going to look beautiful encapsulated on a nail, isn't it? So that's the glitter there. That's the colours. And then the brush, the cutie oil, and the cute added extras that you get in every box. Every month there's always a couple of cute extras. Don't know if I'm going to recreate that exactly, but we're definitely going to be using these colours. Maybe put our own twist on it. I like to do that. We shall see. But anyway guys, that is it for today. Yeah, these are available now, obviously. I'll leave links below. I will do something with these in my next video, or it could be the one after. Not sure. Please remember to give the video a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you're not already. And hopefully I'll see you all back in my next one. Take care.